Now in this part, I'll tell you how to find out the least count of the screw gauge and the zero error of the screw gauge. Okay? Now, as I said in the last part that ये जो nut रहता है, it is threaded from inside. It is uniformly threaded from inside. The distance between the successive thread, it is called as pitch. Means, look at now, threading is like this देखो. Inside है ना, the threading will be like this देखो, ऐसा threading रहेगा देखो लोग. The nut is uniformly threaded from inside. It distance रहता है ना between successive thread, distance between this and this, distance between this and this, it is called as pitch of the screw. What is it called? It is called as pitch of the screw. And how to find out the pitch of the screw? Look at now. What you have to do? Look at this. You give certain rotations to the screw, and you find out the distance covered by the screw on main scale. For example, here look at it. I am giving 5 rotations, and then I will find out the distance covered by the screw on the main scale. Look at this now. This is 1 rotation, 2 rotations, 3 rotations, 4, and this is 5 rotations. And what is the distance covered on the main scale? I found it is 5 millimeter. So distance covered is 5 millimeter in 5 rotations. So what is the pitch? What is the expression for the pitch? Look at now. Pitch is equal to distance covered on main scale divided by number of rotations on the screw. तो pitch कितना है देखो भी? Pitch will be equal to distance covered on main scale कितना है? 5 millimeter है. कितना rotation दिया मैंने? 5. तो pitch कितना है मुझे बताओ? 1 millimeter. Okay? You have to give some rotations to the screw. Say for example here I have given 5 rotations. Find out the distance covered by the screw on the main scale. कितना था? 5 millimeter था. Distance covered upon number of rotations, that is pitch. So 5 millimeter upon 5 कितना हो गया मुझे बताओ? 1 millimeter. Okay? Now what is the least count of the screw gauge? All of you know. What is the least count? It is the smallest accurate reading possible for the given instrument. Okay? So for screw gauge how much it is? What is the expression for that? Least count is equal to pitch upon number of divisions on circular scale. तो least count pitch कितना आया? 1 millimeter divide by number of divisions on circular scale. मेरे हाथ में जो screw gauge है ना उसके circular scale में ना 100 divisions है from 0 to 99. It's a screw gauge having 100 equal divisions on circular scale. तो यहाँ कितना आएगा नंबर मुझे बताओ? 100. तो what is the least count? 0.01 millimeter. Okay? And that is why I said screw gauge has an accuracy up to 0.01 millimeter. This count. You can say 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. But generally screw gauge records it measures a very small length or small thickness, and therefore with the help of screw gauge we take the reading in millimeter. Okay? तो least count कितना है मुझे बताओ? 0.01 millimeter है. Okay? Now about zero error. Just mark my word. बराबर ध्यान से सुनो देखो भाई zero error के बारे में. Look at this now. Look at this now. I am moving it in the clockwise direction. देखो look at now. तो ये screw आगे जा रहा है देखो भी. ये stud उसको Q बोला था मैंने. ये P है देखो भी. Look at it देखो. See. This is the way you have to move it clockwise. Now, when these two stud P and Q, when they touch each other, देखो ऐसा. When they touch each other, generally क्या रहता है? ये जो circular scale का जो zero है ना, वो reference line से coincide होता है देखो ऐसा. It's like this देखो. ये reference line है, देखो. This is the reference line. मैंने ये दिखाया था ना reference line. ये reference line है. And when these two studs, ये मैंने दिखाया नहीं देखो भी ये जो stud P and Q, when they in contact with each other, when they come in contact with each other, zero of the circular scale should coincide with the reference line. If this is the case, then the zero error in the instrument, in the screw gauge, zero error कितना रहेगा? Zero रहेगा. Zero error कितना रहेगा? Zero रहेगा. But that is not always the case. Sometimes zero lies below the reference line, sometimes it goes above the reference line. When these two are in contact with each other, zero है ना circular scale का, it either remains below the reference line or above the reference line. Means, for example, look at now second. Suppose if it remains below the reference line, look at this here. अगर जीरो रेफरेंस लाइन के नीचे रहा देखो, then zero error is positive. In the given screw gauge, zero error कितना रहेगा? Positive रहेगा. Zero error is positive. And how to find out that positive zero error? Positive zero error is equal to n into least count. What does n stand for? The division which coincides with the reference line. So now zero doesn't coincide, zero remains below the reference line. So the line which coincides, either it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ऐसे रहेगा देखो. Look at it now. Here what is the line coincides देखो अभी? 3 है देखो. तो for this देखो अभी, इसमें कितना रहेगा? 3, लीस्ट काउंट मेरा 0.01 है, तो आंसर आया प्लस जीरो एरर कितना है? 0.03 मिलीमीटर. ओके, नाउ when P and Q are in contact with each other, and if it zero goes above the reference line, when it goes above the reference line, the division which coincides will be 95, 96, 97 ऐसे रहेगा देखो. So if the zero goes above the reference line, then zero error is negative. For example here, look at it. देखो ये reference line है, और देखो zero ऊपर गया देखो लिखने, और डिवीजन कौन सा कोइंसाइड हो रहा है देखो अभी? 98 कोइंसाइड हो रहा है देखो. लुक एट ना, जिस डिवीजन का नंबर 98 है ना वो कोइंसाइड हो रहा है देखो अभी. तो डिवीजन जब 98 रहेगा, 96 रहेगा, 95 रहेगा, तो जीरो एरर कैसा रहेगा? नेगेटिव रहेगा. जीरो एरर इज नेगेटिव व्हेन जीरो गोज अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन. तो इधर जीरो एरर कितना आया? नेगेटिव. जीरो एरर इज नेगेटिव. And how will you find out negative zero error? What is the expression for negative zero error? It is minus capital N minus, है ना, ऐसा माइनस ब्रैकेट में capital N minus small n into least count. What is capital N? Total number of divisions on the circular scale, that is 100. Which divisions coincide? The division which numbers 98. जिसका नंबर 98 है ना डिवीजन का, वो कोइंसाइड हो रहा है देखो रेफरेंस लाइन के साथ. तो स्मॉल n कितना आया? 98 into 0.01, यानी ये हो गया माइनस 0.02 मिलीमीटर. माइनस 0.02 मिलीमीटर. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट लीस्ट काउंट and zero error.